Hi guys. All right, there are two questions I have for you. I'm trying to find out if there's any interest in this. I have designed and 3D printed, actually, this overhead console. I don't know if you can really see it because the lighting in here is just kind of crappy. But that's what it looks like. And let's see. So I designed it to look like it was designed in the 70s because it's a 1976 Corvette, right? So basically it has switches on it. I have set these two switches to turn these LEDs on. So there are map lights for those of you who don't have a map light in your mirror. And that's basically it. I currently have it set up to where it's non-destructive installation. So basically, I'm just using some wire right now through some holes on the back side of this to hold it up into this. What I want to do is sell these. I want to make these and sell them. And I'm gauging desirability, I guess, as far as the market goes. Would you, if you have a C3, would you be interested in an overhead console like this? And if you are, I'm curious to know what your thoughts are. Would you rather have a non-destructive, not baling wire like this is just temporary, but would you rather have a non-destructive means of holding this up? Or would you rather just have a screw here that you could drill right into this? I personally don't want to damage this, but it is kind of old and gross and not perfect. So, and I do want this to be basically a permanent installation, and I don't really want to see anything hanging up this way. So I'm sort of torn. I'm seriously considering redesigning the back end here and making it so that I can just screw it on. The front side mounts using the rear view mirror mount. Can't really see that, but that's all there is. I mean, it's just held in place by those things currently. Also, 8 switches may be kind of a lot for most people. I do not have 8 things that need to be controlled. However, this is this light, this is this light, and then I plan to have my camera system on this switch and some auxiliary stuff on this switch. Maybe set up 1 or 2 of these to be used for cutout switches for the ignition. All the wiring can easily be routed along the top and down the A-pillar and all that good stuff. So please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this idea, you know, would you want me to make one of these for you? And if so, just, you know, let me know, because I currently am very serious about making these for everyone or anyone who wants one, because it is pretty rad. I mean, it's hard to see from a camera how kind of cool it is to have a sweet little console like that right there, but it actually is pretty sweet. So there's another thing I'm planning on doing, and I don't know if you're having the same problem with me, but these seats, while I love these sort of tapered back seats, these are really rad looking. The only thing I don't like about them, they don't have a headrest. So I am actually also working on producing some headrests for these. Granted, you could probably find something that would work somewhere, but I have an idea to make some out of some vinyl that will match, and even hopefully have a roll like that in the top, in the headrest, and they would just mount to this this thing right here, this plate right there. They would mount under that. So, oops. So anyways, that's another idea. So would you be interested in purchasing from me custom headrests or custom overhead consoles, let me know. And I will continue to post more on these as I get them done. So thank you for checking this out. And your feedback is immensely appreciated. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Woo!